Hey everybody, my name's Kevin Mendenhall, and I just wanted to do a quick introduction video about who I am, what I do, what my experience is, and what my intentions are for this YouTube channel. I'm a home designer in Phoenix, Arizona. I design homes throughout the state, and I started my career in the trades as a framer and framing contractor. I also did a lot of other trades. Did drywall, roofing. I've done some concrete and things like that. So I have the field experience, and then I moved into design work. One misconception that people have is that in order to design a home, you have to be an architect, and that's actually not true. I mean, there's definitely a place for architects, but for smaller projects, homes, residential homes in the state of Arizona, you don't have to be an architect in order to make a living as a home designer. I work for a big builder now. I also do my own work on the side. I kind of hold two full-time jobs, as a matter of fact, but I do big custom homes on my own, and then I do some production housing for the builder that I work for as well. So, with that said, my intentions with the YouTube channel is to be able to teach you guys some practical skills, how to design homes from the ground up, or at least to know some of the things, the inner workings of what you need to design a set of plans. There are a lot of designers out there that design just one discipline. They just do structural, or they just do civil, things like that. I do the whole thing from the ground up. So my intention is to be able to teach you mainly a lot of the structural things, how to design footers, how to know how loads travel from the roof to the foundation, how to calculate headers and beams, how to design roofs, things like that. Revit is a big part of that, but it's not the whole picture. It's just the tool that I use to accomplish what I need to accomplish. And I use a lot of other software as well to calculate beams and footers. I also do renders, things like that, for the customer, so they can see what the house is going to look like before it's built. Gives them a great idea of what their house is going to look like. A lot of people can't visualize things when it's just in line work on paper. So Revit and Enscape is a great tool for showing people what the house is going to look like. With all that said, I just wanted to say hi, kind of give an overview of what my intentions are here. I uploaded my first video yesterday to YouTube, and it turns out that I have to have 100,000 subscribers before I can actually post a video that's longer than 15 minutes. So if you find the content helpful, I'd appreciate it if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, so I can get past that 100,000 subscriber mark and actually start doing some longer videos, because a lot of the things that I really want to share is going to run past 15 minutes, and so I'm going to have to cut things down for a little bit until I can get past that mark. I don't want to post 5 or 6 videos for one subject with, different parts and whatnot. I would rather have that all in one place for people. So with all that said, I look forward to sharing some good knowledge with you guys, and thanks for watching.